Okay. So now you have seen that, like you have seen that particular parts and all that. So how much amount of a material that we were just trying to remove that particular part that we have seen it, that we have seen it. Similarly, Ashish, you have to confirm me that
Sir.
this particular cut is going to be a square rectangle one as what we have discussed it, or it's a different one, or it's a different one. If it's a
Okay, sir.
different one, if it's a different one, let me do on that particular. I'm giving a trial on this, guys. I don't know whether sure like it's going to work or not, but I'm just giving a trial. Let me give on that. Let me give on that. Like, let me go and create a plane again. Not like this. Okay, let me go create a plane like this. Like it's a vertical plane that I'm doing it right now. So half of the way. So I'm not sure this will work, but this the case actually for circle. I can remove on one side, but about the other sides that I just need to check it. Okay, let me go and somewhere just about that. I'm just trying to do this. Done, done. It's not. It's about not a blind one. It's not for even 100. Just for something around some 20 mm that we try, or like some 50 mm we can go. Just go okay. And when I just go to sectional view, this. Let me go on this. Now this is where that I'm trying to plot this, and it's 100.1. So what I have used is exactly 20 mm. That's 110 we can go. Sorry, so 90 we can go. You can see that hole, right? You can see that hole, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay. Okay, so like that, actually, we have to make for all the surrounded things and all. So if you confirm me, then I'll try thinking on the final cross sections, how best we can able to go, and I'll help you out how to accommodate those things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So like this, you can able to do. Once this job is done, then what you can do, you can just go on splitting on the other layer also. You know how to do that one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After once you split it, as we have seen yesterday, so simply you can just go off your bars and you can go off your side bars, everything. And then start assigning. So what will happen no, if you were able to do everything over here, this gives you a leverage on assembly process. So you can able to reduce the number of operations in the assembly and you can straight away work on your components. And this process gives you an advantage of avoiding any kind of a penetrations also. Okay, this gives you an advantage of avoiding any kind of a penetration. Okay, like this, you can able to do. So that's how like you have to choose it. So Ashish, once if you come back to me with an exact positions of all those things, then I'll help you
Yes,
out.
sir.
But this is the way. But you
Okay.
know, right now you know all the things.
Yes, sir.
Only thing is like only this particular cross section. If it is a rectangular one, again you know like how to place this. We already placed it. Only thing is
Yes,
if
sir.
it's a circular, I just need to think on that and then I'll let you know how to do those particular parts.
Sure, sir.
Normally, if it is around a circle, then again, actually, we can just go simply like this, create a cut sweep and all. So I can just, when I just go for this, then it may ask you like a sketch. Oh, okay. Let me give a trial on this. I'll go for a sketch. Let's go for a sketch. Let me take up this particular plane, vertical edge. Like on the bottom side, I try to select the sweep path. Let's say this is not the right one, but let me confirm that. The sweep path, so direction is S, and profile that I would like to do insert. Plane type is an auto calculate that plane, and I would like to choose this profile. Up direction is not possible. Okay, I'll have chosen this, and this particular profile I'll just make this as a circular one. Then done. So it's all good then. Yeah, okay, it's working fine. Now let me try, because I have tried on this particular plane, because this year we already done something, right? So let me go on here. Now you can see this one, the circular shape, it is also done, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so like this, you can able to do like, let me increase up the values like little to 100. So now can you see this? If it's a circular shape, that's completely off about the circular things also we got it. I worked on this particular plane. You can select some plane, another plane over here, and then you can try working on it also. Let me give a trial for you. So you'll come to know about that also, right? So we can just go and create a datum plane offset from a plane. So from this particular plane, I would like to enter a value in downward direction, because in the downward directions we already have one geometry. So I'll flip, I'll go upward directions. Okay. What's a value that you would like to offset? Offset might be around some 50 mm, that's it, not more than that. Now I got this plane. So now what you can do, you can go to this create a cut sweep extrude options. You can select this one. This option is available over here, guys. If you just go, normally this is a create cut extrude, and this is create cut sweep actually. You can select this one, and you can go to the sketch. You can select the plane that you would like to do, and go and select this vertical thing. It shows like if you select a wrong edge also it shows. So you can select them, automate the next one. And sketch is about this particular line that I would like to do. This is my mid lane. Okay, so just done. Okay, about that particular path, I would like to remove the material. So is the direction of the sweep correct? Yes. And then I would like to go for the profile of my sketch. So go auto calculate your plane and select your vertical edge. And then here you just do the diameter of your steel bar. Done, done. So just give OK. Now this is done. So if you want, you can just click on your sectional view of it. Here you can see this one, all the way that you can able to plot. Or instead of this, let me go on to Z. So let's keep increasing this. Can you see this right, guys? This is our
Yes, sir.
circular one, and this is our rectangle one. This is our rectangular one, and this is our circular one. Okay. So like this, you can able to remove the material. And again, you are here removing the material. With the same profile, you go create a new part with the same operations for a steel rings, and then you are going to place those particular rings over here. That's it. In assembly, that we will take care about that, okay? Only one profile that you're going to create. Let me show on that also. So what you can do is now just go create a new part It's a part 2 that I would like to do this. Such a solid extrusion, everything. It's done. It's not like an extrusion. We can able to cut, remove this particular things. About the sweep, I would like to do this. So create a part, 3D, deformable, solid, sweep. I would like to go, it's a sweep. So continue on this. And now let me fix up this heights also. Like once if you can give me the exact geometries, guys, then we won't be getting about this any kind of a merging issues or something. So all those particular challenges that we can able to overcome, we need a perfect geometries for that. Okay, this is done, right? So now what I can do, like set the entities for the fix. That's done. Now sketch the sweep path. I would like to do in this particular path. I would like to do in this particular path. Sweep path is done, and the sweep direction starts from here and it goes on and comes over here. Enter the maximum scale for the section is 200. Okay, no issues. Now this is where it is asking you to drew that particular circle over here. It's like, yeah, here I'd like to draw that circle. That's the diameter of my steel ring inside that. So then done. Maybe for looking it's too odd because maybe the diameter is too large over there, but you can just go cut sweep, right? It's like a selection of your sketch. Oh no, sorry. This is for part 2. This is for part 2. So part 2 in the features I can go, solid sweep I can go. Now in the part sketch, that's where we have it, right? So let me bring down to a radius of not 5, maybe radius of some 0.3 or something. 5 mm radius is also there, right? Though there will be there, right? 5 mm rods are there. But anyways, I'm just going on with very less. For better visualization, you should see that. Now go to features and regenerate on it, then it will change automatically. Now maybe for your better visualization, it looks like for this. You agree this looks good, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so these things I'm just going to assemble on it. When I just go to an assembly module, here I have not went with the dimensions, so it looks like very hard when I just bring it up. Okay, so it's like inside somewhere else it would be. Like when I just trying to translate this from this part to this part. Well, we may not see. This is what the part actually it is there. So I can just select this, start from this to this if I just move. Oh, all the parts it is getting up. So what I can do is with the dimensions I should map and automatically it can come. Like if I just go over here, this is where it's outside, it is coming, see this. Somewhere else that particular part went. Let me go in my assembly instance 2, that's a part 1, this is a part 1, and this is part 2, it's lying here. Part 2 is lying over here. So my part 2 is lying here, that means still I would like to move on this, then I think chances are there that I can see. Yeah, this is my part. I just go click on this. Oh, this is the ring actually. You can see it here. You can see the ring, right? So we have to bring a particular ring and place it over to the place that where we have to place that things. Then automatically you can able to create that. So
Okay, sir.
this is how actually we went with the wrong dimensions, so that's why it looks like a little hard. But when you just go with the dimensions, it's quite easy. But the process is same. So now is geometry is clear for you, Ashish. So you can able to create the geometries and the things like you know how to put up these particular bars. Now you know how to put up these rings and you know how to put up the CFRPs. And once of it is done, so for both of you, it's only a static analysis of the first case. I would like to confirm with Omnesh then what is his case? What is his geometry looks?
Sir, dynamic analysis only I have to go for.
You have to do dynamic analysis.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Because my branch is,
what's your dynamic loading?
sir, earthquake loading, sir.
Mm-hmm. Do you have this earthquake data with you?
No, sir, not right now, but yeah, I'll be having because one of my friends he'll be sending.
Okay. Okay, I'll try to show with some dummy data so you can try to follow with that. And whenever you want, you can replace those values with you. Okay. First, we do the static analysis for Dennis, and you can also learn something from that. And then we can move on with your problem. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow at Sunday, again, it's very hard for me to pull out the timings on Sundays because of family things. We'll meet again on Monday at the same time, 5 to 6. So Dennis, you're going to come back with me. What's the static loading conditions? Like what's the weight of your train or something? If you're not, no issues, then I'll try to model some small bridge with a known cross-sectional values and I'll try to show you. Or else on the same CFRP this block also, we can try to apply some load and then I can show you those particular procedures. But we will on Monday, I'm just going to show you like how to do this particular static analysis and how the parameters to be controlled. And then like we will be discussing about like what is the vulnerable conditions for this and what's the hotspot regions and how it's failing, everything that we will see on Monday.
Hello?
Yes.
Sir, actually, I mentioned a few days before. Actually, Monday to next up to Friday, I am going to one of my friend home for the puja holiday
Okay.
for celebration. So I will be not in the class for the next week.
Okay. Then Ashish, you are available, right?
Yes, sir. On Monday I'm available, sir.
On Tuesday?
So on Monday, Tuesday, yes, sir. Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, yes.
Wednesday,
Actually,
Thursday. Friday, I'm not available because Friday will cancel the class. It's a festival day,
sir,
right?
yes, sir. I can't say because after every 2 to 3 days I have my appointment with doctor. So yeah, Monday, Tuesday I'm available, sir.
Okay, one thing we'll do. So Dennis, as you are going on vacation, so I'll sit with Ashish on Monday and Tuesday. We'll try to work out an Ashish problem with static conditions and possible get into your dynamics part also. And you can go through those particular videos. I think once Dennis come back, we will see like on your problem how to work on this. So in the meanwhile, try to collect this cross-sectional information, Dennis, on your project.
Okay, sir. I will, because I'm not taking my laptop and all. I just went just for vacation. I am like we are traveling also, so it's hard to collect. Anyway, I will try some maximum.
Yeah. Try to do that. So we'll meet in the next week. And for Ashish on Monday and Tuesday, we can meet. And I need confirmations from Omnesh also. He's not joining for the classes also. Any update? Is he good?
Sir, actually I'm in home, so I'll
What about
confirm with
Dennis?
him.
You know him?
Sir, I am in my hostel, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, check with him also, guys.
Okay, sir. We'll call and you know.
Yeah. Okay. Okay then. So we'll meet on Monday with Ashish, and if Umnesh joins also, we can try to catch up and we can work on some this CFRP material assignments and applying some kind of loadings on it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. See you guys then. Good day. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.